Alright, longest valid parentheses. Given a string containing just the characters, opening and closing parentheses, return the length of the longest valid well-formed parentheses substring. So the length is 2, because this is the longest valid one. And 4 since the middle. Okay. So if the substring is less than or equal to 1, return 0. Otherwise, we have an open and close and a max. So for I equals 0, I less than s dot length, we can loop through s. So if s of I equals an opening bracket, and we can increment open, and if s of I is equal to a closing bracket, close plus plus, and then each loop through, if open equals close, and number of open is equal to number of close, then we can see if our max changes. And since we're starting from the front, it'll be based on the number of closes compared to the current max to the new number of close times 2. And if close is greater than open, then we have to reset. So we do close, so that's from left to right, and now we have to do right to left. Let I equal s dot length minus 1. I greater than equal to 0, I plus plus, oh, I minus minus. And I think we can just copy this. Except this is going to be the reverse. If there's more open than closed, because we're going the other way. And this is going to be open. Return max. Does this work? Output 4. Because there's 2 open. So we check if there's an open, and if there's a close, we increment. So if open equals close, we check for the new max potentially. And if there's more close than open when going forward, then we have to restart. I'm just gonna retype this open. There's more open than close. And we also have to reset. Why are we getting 4? It should be because of this, because there's 2 opens, but it shouldn't. Oh, I think we have to reset here. I think it's leaving positively from this one. Yeah. Just was not resetting properly. The 2 traversal. Let's go. Alright, and then we can do some here. Left. Right. And then Maxlin. For car nest. If car equals opening. +1. Else the character is the other one. If left equals right parenthesis, and we'll have maxlin equal to maxlin, and 2 times the close. Else right greater than left. We can set left and right parentheses to 0, and then left and right equals 0, and then we can copy this for the reverse. Reversed S. And we want to check this one first. Right. Left. Left. Return maxlin. Boom. Should be the same. Awesome. And that's 10 versus 3. I mean, seems close. There's definitely other solutions for this, other than a double traversal. I think the last parentheses one was we used a stack to check if it's valid. So, probably a similar solution here. Alright, and there's Leet code 32, longest valid parentheses in a string.